In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put your Acer laptop into sleep mode using your keyboard. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a lot of times the easiest way just would be to locate a little moon or crescent moon icon on your keyboard. If you select that, that should turn your computer into sleep mode. You may also just tap the Alt and the F4 key to pull up the shutdown window prompt. And then using your keyboard or your mouse, you could then select the drop down and select sleep from this menu. If you want to look up your specific model of Acer laptop, you may be able to find additional keyboard shortcuts available for you. But again, that would be on a case-by-case basis. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.